Welcome to Calderwood Works. We're going to come along this back of this truck up in the air and try to pull it out off the trailer with our little half-ton two-wheel drive 6-cylinder Dodge. Let's see how this goes. Is it starting to come up?
Almost. It's right off.
It's off?
Yep.
It's free?
Everywhere.
All right. Make sure you don't stand under that thing. All right, I'm gonna need you up at the front, guiding the wheels, make sure this thing comes off the trailer like we want. So go look at the other wheel. See how this is gonna go. You wanna point the wheel toward the end of the trailer, straight back as best you can. Oh, this has gotta go over there. Turn it like that so it clears the fender. And when it clears the fender, you holler at me and we'll stop and we'll turn them back. Once you know that it's going to clear the fender. Did it hang? It looked like it hit something. No?
Oh, my poor tree.
Let's see.
Should be good to go straight back.
All right.
Oh!
You're good. All right. You want to turn it in more? Grab it like this and pull it and push it at the same time. Yeah, see how much easier that is?
We're almost at the crescent.
We're gonna let it drop.
Okay.
Still good?
Yep. Yep.
How much inches I got till the tires are off?
Probably about a foot and a half, 2 feet. They're on that metal piece now.
Stand clear. Get clear.
Yep. She cleared her.
I can't believe that worked. Oh, that little pecan tree's strong. All right, now you flip that handle. Grab a couple of those tires and throw them under here. Go in front where the chains aren't going to hit it. Get that big one, not that little one, that big one. Just like that other one you got.
Go like right.
Yeah, under the frame, make sure you get under the frame. Oh, there you go. The other one real quick. Shove it up under the frame a little bit. That way the frame's not sitting in the mud. And if we ever decide to sell it or use it, it's not rotted out.
Yeah.
Whew. All right. That concludes today's lesson.